What it is, everybody, it's your boy Too Trill, and I'm here for real with my first ride on my first motorcycle. Alright, so what we have here, we got the 2009 Honda Cbr600rr, and this is my first motorcycle. I have ridden before though. I had a little dirt bike growing up, but this is my first street bike. So I have a little bit of experience. You know, my clutch work probably gonna be a little janky since it's been a while, but without further ado, let's get to it. Turn it on. Woo! Oh man. I'm so excited. Kind of nervous, but more excited than nervous. Anxious, I guess. Oh boy. Matter of fact, I ain't even buckle my helmet. Look, so excited I ain't even buckle it. Uh-oh. So my homie rolled the bike up here for me. We just got it out the shop. I had him do a little inspection on it because I bought this from a private seller. And you know I ain't too mechanically inclined, so I wanted a mechanic to check it out. So everything worked out. My homie rolled it down here for me. Woo! There we go, get to it. Alright, don't expect too much dialogue while I'm riding, because you know, I'm new in everything. But y'all about to go along for the ride. Oh, this is a joyous day. First ride, gotta put the kickstand up, I know that. Okay, we in gear. Let's see how my clutch work is. Ooh. Ooh, damn. A little janky. Like I said. You know, this ain't too bad, but I ain't doing that yet. Woo! Thought I was sensitive. I ain't expected to be like that. Alright. Should put that turn signal on before I grab the clutch. But okay, taking off, I'm gonna stop again. Man, I'm janky. But you know, hopefully it ain't too bad. Oh, turn the turn signal off. Uh-oh. I'm do my first wave. Hey, first wave. He had that Honda going. That's what that was, wasn't it? I'm part of the bike life now, baby. Woo! Oh, this road a little curvaceous too. Like a fine woman. But I ain't even really leaning the bike. This is just butter. Oh yeah. We're gonna make this first right up in here. See what this be like. I ain't really want to do nothing crazy because you know how my downshifting went down to second. Oh, we okay. Just got to be real easy with the clutch. I ain't never been up in here before. Probably not a good idea, you know, getting lost on a motorcycle when it's your first time riding it. Oh, turn signal. Says no outlet, so we gonna bang a left. I think I'm in second. I can't tell, you know, this ain't got no gear indicator. But nor did that dirt bike I had growing up. So I should be alright. Let's go down this way. Oh. I hope the wind noise ain't too bad. I've been experimenting with this helmet and getting a mic in it. You know, my lovely lady, she would take me on car rides, and I just put the helmet on and stick my head out the window. Try to beat the wind noise, and this is the best I could do. If the wind's still beating it up, I don't know what else I can do, man. Now, I don't know where the hell I'm at. That look like we getting a private property, so we're gonna go ahead and turn this thing around. Back in first. Ooh, gravel. Don't want to turn too sharp. Yeah, you just gotta be real easy with the clutch and throttle. It's a lot more delicate than that little dirt bike I had. It'll take some getting used to. Man, this bike is beautiful though. I am a little leaned over, but it's a sports bike. Damn, I'm so excited. Oh, I ain't even do nothing crazy yet. Well, I'm not gonna do nothing crazy. That's for sure. You know, it's crazy when you get a motorcycle. Everybody tells you about how dangerous they are and yada yada yada, like they're trying to discourage you from riding. It's like, well, I already bought it. You don't need to be filling my head with all the dangers involved. I know. I made a calculated decision when I decided to purchase this. But what I was saying was, yeah, I don't want to do nothing too crazy. I ain't getting. I'm gonna keep this on 2 wheels the whole time. You know what I'm saying? I ain't doing nothing crazy. I ain't doing no type of street racing. I'm just gonna enjoy riding. Almost ride this thing like a cruiser. Good thing I didn't stall out right there. Yeah, man. I'm so excited. I've been looking at bikes for over a year, you know, waiting for the right opportunity, the right time to do it and everything. I done speak it into existence. I spoke it into existence, excuse me. Got this cab behind me. Make sure he sees I'm on the signal. Knew he was gonna do that. Knew it. I couldn't wait. We need to get going just a wee bit faster. Not too much. Not too much now. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to do nothing crazy, like I said. You know, when you gotta stop, you can start finding that little friction point. So you ready to take off? Easy peasy. That's pretty loud in the helmet. I hope it ain't destroying my mic. If it is, I apologize. I'll keep searching for better methods of recording my voice. But like I said, this is my first ride on my first bike. Oh yeah, look at it. Just touch it. Oh, I just touched it. I just touched it. I ain't do nothing crazy. I have ridden one of my homies' bikes before. I mean, I ain't really get to do nothing crazy. I just rode it around the neighborhood. That's why I'm so comfortable, because I mean, riding motorcycles ain't totally new, but I've never owned a street bike. And I never really got to go out and do much with it. Can't believe how fast people drive here. Let me get to the right side of this lane. Ain't no sense I should be getting past. But yeah, I think this video's been long enough, so I appreciate y'all for coming along on my first ride, baby. On my 2009 Honda Cbr600rr double R. Matter of fact, we gonna just go ahead and pull over right here. Alright, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all be blessed. Yee. And I'm out.